Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these AI powered content repurposing tools, which is YTcopycat. So let's get started with the breakdown and the analysis about YTcopycat. YTcopycat is an AI powered content repurposing tools that convert YouTube videos into writing format like blog post, email newsletter, tweet trend, and summaries. In 2025, it combines to attract creators, marketers, and small business owners who want to scale their content output without hiring writers. Users simply paste a YouTube link and YTcopycat automatically transcribe the video and rewrite it into multiple content formats. The platform supports over 30 languages and also offer features like WordPress export, email list content generation, and SEO friendly formattings. It's fast, easy to use, and ideal for people who want to turn videos into content funnel for website or social platform with minimal effort. While copycat or why YT copycat is powerful in concept, it has received a mixed feedback in 2025 due to inconsistency in performance and featured reliability. Some users praise it for saving hours of work and producing high quality draft, while others report issues after updates such as missing features like channel subscription and output quality required in every editing. There's no complete free trial, and the play plan starts around $14 to $20 per month, with high tier offering for more customization and value. If you are looking for a way to quickly turn video content into usable text and are okay with the refining the result, YT Copycat can be a time-saving tool. But if you need a full published long-form content straight out of the box, manual editing is still necessary. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this YT Copycat platform. And if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.